Dogelon Mars is going to go explanatory, says one force to be reckoned with. The ongoing siphon in the worth of altcoins could lead, in the midst of a macroeconomic climate portrayed by quantitative fixing, to a decline in liquidity and, possibly, a reduction in the worth of resources. Quantitative fixing alludes to the cycle by which national banks decrease the cash supply available for use, normally by auctioning off resources or raising financing costs. In this way, that is not an excellent picture for a wide range of businesses that need to help their capital. In spite of the fact that Elon Musk isn't engaged with elon, its symbolic cost can see large cost spikes when Musk stands out as truly newsworthy. For instance, when Musk made his arrangement to purchase Twitter last month, the coin momentarily took off on the news just to pull back. This peculiarity is a virtual entertainment craze in real life. This Dogelon Mars value forecast will assist you with settling on insightful crypto decisions to add to your portfolio, not through furious reaction. At the point when Dogecoin experienced huge development, many individuals became inspired by it and other image coins. Moreover, another image coin enlivened by Dogecoin, which additionally encountered a colossal ascent, was Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has outperformed Dogecoin for market capitalization. Elon is a Doge-themed symbolic undertaking meaning to repeat Dogecoin's prosperity while referring to Elon Musk's vision to colonize Mars. Dogelon Mars, a moderately fresher and less settled resource, could offer more potential for cost appreciation. A feeling of dread toward passing up a major opportunity may drive interest for this crypto resource. You can acquire from this situation assuming that you as of now hold the resource well in front of the rising wave. Anyway, what to do? How much is elon worth? The present Dogelon Mars cost is $3.53 E7 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,243,593. Dogelon Mars is down 2.81% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 162, with a live market cap of $194,022,022. It has a coursing supply of 549,652,770,159,583 elon coins and a maximum supply of 1,000,000,000,000,000,000 elon coins. Dogelon Mars unequaled high is $0. Elon arrived at this ATH on the 30th of October 2021. The all-out current stockpile of Dogelon Mars is 548 trillion, from its beginning complete inventory of 1 quadrillion. Regardless of whether it appreciates, given the high volume of Dogelon Mars, it would be unrealistic to reach 1 cent. However, who can say for sure? Dogelon Mars is alluded to as the interplanetary money. It keeps on being one of the image coins with loads of potential in regards to cost. Dogelon Mars has kept up with its strength notwithstanding the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, and its cost is supposed to increment in 2022 and then some. The image coin has ridden a flood of prevalence via online entertainment and could arrive at USD.010 soon. Moreover, Dogelon was named after Mars, which is articulated as canine elon. Dogelon Mars is viewed as a local area-driven digital currency, guaranteeing it will improve continually. On the Dogelon Mars site, an animation canine in a spacesuit is climbing, addressing that Dogelon Mars will encounter an enormous vertical development. Who are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars? Very much like other image coins, the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars are obscure. This happens in image coins, having unknown organizers. Notwithstanding, financial backers are encouraged to do a reasonable level of effort while going with monetary choices on cryptographic forms of money to try not to succumb to malignant practices like leaf tricks. All things considered, Elon has been on the lookout for some time currently, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately low. Utilizations of Dogelon Mars other than utilizing the entertaining comic story of Dogelon as the foundation of the token. This digital currency doesn't have an authority guide yet. Elon is an image coin absent a lot of utility and applications past purchasing and holding it in a digital money wallet like MetaMask, since it has different image credits in its name. We could see a fast ascent in Dogelon Mars Elon if the in general crypto market appreciates and the craving for image coins increments. How is the Dogelon Mars network got? Elon is an ERC20 digital money in light of Ethereum and Polygon. It is additionally crucial to realize that Ethereum is one of the most well-known blockchains in the crypto market. Be that as it may, its confirmation of work agreement component makes Ethereum one of the most secure blockchains out there. Once more, an alternate arrangement of decentralized hubs approves and gets exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain network. Then again, Polygon is a layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum that licenses expanded exchange throughput. This intends that there are no gas battles on Polygon. The beginning stock for the task was 1 quadrillion elon tokens. The designer sent portion of those crypto tokens to Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. replicating an exposure stunt that was first finished by Shiba Inu. Buterin gave around 43% of the ELON tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a foundation zeroed in on broadening human lifespan. The establishment vowed in May 2021 not to sell any of those tokens for no less than 1 year and to propel ELON's drawn-out esteem. Why is ELON exceptional? Engineers saved the other half in a liquidity pool on Uniswap. They additionally stored 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth about $100,000 at that point. They then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got so they could neither withdraw the tokens nor gather any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will accumulate after some time. Dogelon Mars cost activity in the previous month has been descending, moving, and uneven. The token has been in a reach somewhere in the range of $0 the month, with obstruction at the upper finish of the reach. From the outset, it appeared to be that the cost was attempting to make a recuperation, as it attempted to get through this obstruction a few times during the principal long stretches of spring. Notwithstanding, each time it was shocked, and the cost declined once more. This proposes that the opposition of this reaches major areas of strength for extremely that Dogelon Mars might experience issues getting through it soon. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost estimate for 2023 is ELON digital money to exchange at least cost of $0, a typical value conjecture of $0, with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024 as indicated by the Dogelon Mars cost conjecture for 2024. The Dogelon Mars worth could arrive at least $0, a typical cost of $0. The most extreme cost gauge is supposed to be $0 time. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Our Dogelon Mars cost estimate for 2025 proposes that the ELON digital money could accomplish a base worth of $0, a typical cost of $0. The most extreme anticipated exchanging cost for Dogelon Mars would be $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. The Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2026 proposes the Dogelon Mars cost is supposed to accomplish at least $0, a typical cost of $0, with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. In light of our Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2027, the ELON coin is supposed to exchange at any rate level of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0, with a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. Our ELON coin cost forecast recommends Dogelon Mars digital currency could achieve a base cost of $0, a typical worth of $0, with a greatest exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029 as per ELON coin cost forecast for 2029. A base value focus of $0, a typical worth of $0, with a most extreme exchanging cost of $0, is normal for Dogelon Mars cryptographic money. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. In light of the Dogelon Mars cost figure for 2030, our examination recommends that the Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at least $0, a normal of $0, with a greatest exchanging cost of $0, the finish of